In today's episode, a tire will be moisturized, a Miata will be wet, and a truck will be hydrated. It doesn't take much to make a man happy. A custom-built Mazda RX3, for example, should be enough.
I wasn't ready! I wasn't ready!
Here is a couple of stadium trucks doing what stadium trucks do the best. During the 1995 24 Hours of Spa-Francorchamps, there was a very special contender amongst the usual racing cars. A family van. It was the Peugeot 806 that was built to compete in the Pro Car 2 category. Obviously, to make it fast, it had to get a new suspension, new gearing, a roll cage, a new 260 horsepower engine, and a lot more. During qualifying, this van achieved 3rd place in its category, which was a very good result. Unfortunately, during the actual race, the team had to retire the car after 10 hours due to mechanical problems. Also, while rewatching the footage of this race, I noticed that the safety car for this race was a Miata, so that's pretty cool. Here is a R32 Skyline taking off. This guy from Poland built a 2nd generation Miata that does quite well off-road. I always thought that nothing can beat the sound of a classic Formula 1 car, until this showed up, a 26B Mazda RX3. Tatra trucks are famous for their off-road capabilities. Here is one of them testing its suspension. Here is a Lada being pushed to its limits. Make sure to tighten your shoelaces on drag strips. Did you know that you can buy a Lamborghini engine for only $10,000? It even comes with a Audi S6 attached to it. No, for real, the Audi S6 V10 shares the same engine with the Lamborghini Gallardo. The only difference is a slightly bigger engine displacement to adjust for the heavier weight of the Audi S6. Both sound equally amazing though. Here's a woodlock unloading method from Japan. This tractor sounds better than most cars you see during car meets. This is Object 279. It was an experimental heavy breakthrough tank that was supposed to cross terrain that normal tanks would not be able to. It was also built to survive the initial shockwave of a nuclear explosion. This is a Citroën 2CV with a turbocharged 2-liter General Motors engine swap on a drag strip. Here is an old Volvo with a Fender Exhaust. You love the sound of V10 engines but only can afford a Volkswagen? No worries, just get the Mk5 Volkswagen Rabbit. Seems like being a truck driver in Turkey is quite stressful. Here's another Miata spitting flames. I always knew that the typical Rotary brep reminded me of something. Everyone has seen plenty of Supras doing crazy stuff, but it just does not get boring. Just like this Supra that is mimicking a machine gun. This is how trucks are being tested in Russia.
Goedemiddag. Hola. Ой, бля. Wow, красавец! Да, во. Volvo Sila.
Here is a classic Subaru Impreza STI Type R ripping mountain roads. For a 4-cylinder engine, it sounds absolutely amazing. At this point, anything can sound good with a Akrapovic exhaust. Imagine what would be left of this car if it would rear-end a semi-truck. Who would win the sound battle, the 2JZ or the Trabant 1.1 liter engine? One of my viewers sent me this video of his car with a very special feature.
This isn't a normal Elantra. This Elantra is from Soviet Union. Welcome, comrades, to the Soviet Union!
That's everything for today. All sources are in the description. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.
That doesn't make sense.